Hello, my name is Tim. Today I will show you how to make a Pong game at scratch. Let's go! The first thing what you should do is to choose a tutorial. We don't need this tutorial. It's not related to our project today. Let's click on see more. And there's lots of tutorials here. Choose a Pong game. And then, second of all, we need to choose a backdrop and delete this cat. Okay, there's lots of backdrops here. Let's use a star backdrop. You can always use something else. Look what we've done. The third thing what we should do is to get an object. Click on this button. Normally people get the ball, but for now, use the visit toad. Okay, it's right here. Now, put it right somewhere right here. Okay, now get the costumes and there's this one. And then move the tutorial out of the way. And now there's this toad. Okay, shrink it right this. Okay, awesome. Now, what you should do is to get the fourth step. Okay, bounce around. Easy. Okay, code, and then go to events. Now, okay, now there's the green flag. Go to motion and then get the point direction 90. Do the point direction in 45. Okay, now get the control. Okay, now get the forever. See? Now, go to motion again and do the move 10. There's move 15, but for fun, I'll use move 20. Okay, now, use the if on edge bounce. Look what we've done. See? Cool, isn't it? Click on this button for the paddle. Okay, there's lots of things here. I will choose bread for my paddle. Okay, click on the bread. The next very important step is the coding of the motion of two objects. Let's begin coding the paddle. Okay, follow the tutorial. And then go to events and get the green flag block. And then go to control and get the forever block. Go to motion. And then there's the set to x 31. Okay, get it. And then go to sensing and get the mouse X. Look what we've done. Cool, isn't it? Let's begin coding to bounce the ball. Okay, after it, follow the tutorial. Okay, go to events. Yes. After it, go to control. See for forever and then if then. Get the touching and the sensing. Okay, you cannot change something here. Okay, go to motions. Now, you need two blue blocks here. You can always change something even on here. Okay, go to control after it. Okay, look what we've done. Beautiful, isn't it? Let's start making a score. Follow the tutorial as usual. Okay, write the score. Okay, and then put the score in the code of bounce the ball. Okay, now after it, write reset score. And then go to events. And then get the green flag block. Go to my variable and set score to 0 in there. The last step is to make the game over line. Okay, now go to events. Okay, get the green flag and then go to control. You need two blocks in here. Okay, go to sensing and then get the touching wizard toad. Okay, after you go to control again and get the stop all. Okay, that's all. Let's play my game. Okay, start. Wow, how good I am. So good. Wow, okay, I'm so good. Look how good I am.
Wow.
Oh no, I fold. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, please like and subscribe.